Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Facebook Marketplace limit reached 2025. So why it happens? This error happens when you post too many items too fast. Your account is new or Facebook suspects spam. It could also be due to violating their marketplace policies. So how to fix it? Number 1, wait at least 24 to 72 hours. It's usually a temporary block. Don't keep on posting. That can make it worse. Number 2, go to your Facebook settings, then account status. Check if there is a marketplace restriction or warning. Number 3, if it's restricted, appeal it. Go to help and support, report the problem, then marketplace, and explain politely that you believe it's a mistake. Number 4, make sure your profile is complete. Don't repost the same item repeatedly and use clear real image. Then bonus tip, if you are selling a lot, try using a Facebook business page. With shops, it's more stable and gives you a better tools. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.